woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am here with another Valentine's Day look. I just realized that I don't really use pink or red as far as like main colors. So yeah, if you guys want to watch me do this look, then make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. I feel like it could pass as prom or Valentine's Day. So starting off with my lid already primed, I did use the Millennium concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and hop straight into my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I'm gonna grab the burgundy and the red. So I'm actually gonna use an M506 this time. I'm gonna go back and forth between the colors, so it'll be like I'm mixing both colors together. On the same brush, I'm going to take the red by itself, and that is also going to act as my transition color. On another M506, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Neon palette, and I'm taking this hot pink. I'm going to be using this, as you can see, to blend out these previous colors. Going back into the red. I want to go ahead and do my winged out cut crease. Let's pray that I do it evenly, because this part is what scares me. I'm using this neon pigment from Maya Makeup with a flat concealer brush. I am packing this right along the top of my crease, just like I did on this eye. But right now I'm just using this brush to make sure my concealer is packed down enough so my pigment doesn't go on patchy. I'm gonna use the E22 to dust away lightly, very lightly, dust away the extra pigment. So I'm gonna cut my crease one more time. taking this maroon or burgundy color at the top, and I am packing that all over my lid. I'm using this glitter from NYX in the shade Spreading Rumors, and then I'm also going to use this stacker. I went ahead and finished up my crease, and I'm just going to clean it up with some concealer. So for lashes, I'm using lashes by Xenae. I'm actually using both Haydia and Flirt. I stacked them. Oh, and this one is Haydia, and this one is Flirt. So now that I have added some black eyeliner, I'm going to take the same pink and burgundy from earlier and smoke those out in my waterline. To complete the look, I'm going to take these pink flakes. I'm going to add some of those into the inner corner of my eye. I'm taking this highlighter from Fearless Faces in the color Sugar Rush. So that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are, of course, subscribed for more looks, and I will see you in my next one.